Okay, another unboxing from Lazada. This item is from BOSCA. Again, solar light, street lamp, light street lamp. Okay, let's open. Okay, bubble wrap. Ayan. Okay, let's open. Ayan. So, yan po ang item. It's from BOSCA. 25 watt daylight LED floodlight solar. Ayan. Yan. So, yan po mga details. Yes. So, may remote control, may IP, and then, ano pa? Yes. I think may warranty for 5 years. Yes. Yes. IP65 waterproof. Yes. Ito po yung mga details. Charging time 4 to 6 hours. Working time is 12 to 15 hours. Yan. Okay, let's open the box. Ordered po ito noong July 30 and delivery is August 3.
Solar.
Ito po yung solar. Yan. Okay, let's open. Price is $899 sa Lazada. But we only paid $822. Less, ito po yung remote control. Yes. Remote control with screw. Yan. And ito po yung item with instruction manual. And with batteries pala. Yan. Medyo mabigat compared nung BOSCA na X79, yung andun sa gate. Yan. Manual, and ito po yun.
Glass, steel.
Yes.
Glass.
So, of course, glass, LED light, steel. And then made of steel po yung frame niya. Yes.
Steel.
And then, yan, adjust. And then, let's open the other light.
Solar.
Solar panel.
This is kind of
Polysilicon solar panel po siya.
This is the big one.
Brackets. At meron ding yan po yung wire sa likod. Yan, medyo may sticker, glue, and then ito po yung likod. Yan. Yan, then may mga details. Yes. Yung wire po ay 5 meters. Yes. So, I think mas maliwanag siya kaysa sa yung nilagay natin sa gate. Yes. Yan. So, let's take a picture of the item. Yes. Okay. So, that's it. Thank you. Like and subscribe.